Now, if we... What's this lady?
Maybe she has a point to say.
You ask,
You can speak. You're teaching about those. In Uganda, we have an umbrella of the Muslims. There is not any other religion in Uganda that is allowed to slaughter animals. It's only the Muslims that have a right to slaughter animals in Uganda. And I believe that thing is not good. You get it? It is also an antichrist.
There are many things like that. You're right.
Yeah,
you know, some people are fearing that Europe, which is receiving hundreds of thousands of Muslim refugees from Africa, they are saying that Europe, in our generation, could become entirely Muslim. So things are changing very quickly. Now Uganda, your president has gone against the tide of all Western countries, against the popular opinion of all Western countries. See, in Australia, we are not allowed to counsel a homosexual. And if I counsel a young man who says he's a homosexual and starts practicing homosexuality, if I pray for him and talk with him, I could be arrested and be in prison. Now that will not happen in Uganda. Because your president, he has blocked this. And the whole world has made fun of him and criticized him. But he has made a stand. And so you should honor the president for that. Amen.
I was like, you should support him more.
Are you telling him who to vote for? Next election?
Yeah.
One final thing about the false prophet. If you follow the false prophet and so glorify the red dragon, who is Satan, you receive a mark on your forehead or a mark on your right hand. It's called the mark of the beast. You can read about that. You can read about that in Revelation 13, verses 16 and 17.